stop scrolling for a second because once you make this, you will surely avoid beta shadi kab karoge, bacche kab honge questions. This is pure respect for food. Anything with eggs has my heart. So I tried this viral egg emadashi with my own Devika twist. Trust me, once that yolk breaks, there is absolutely no going back. Eggs are like that one friend who never disappoints. Breakfast present, lunch present, midnight hunger also present. And when that egg lands on a crispy toast, bas fir to diet plans quietly leave the chat. Look at those colors, the cheese, the chilies, the eggs. This dish looks like it belongs in a fancy cafe, but secretly it is easier than finding matching lids for your kitchen containers. For this recipe, I am using Eggo's Nutrition Eggs. One thing I really like is that these eggs come with traceability and quality checks. Also, if you noticed, the naturally orange yolks come from hens fed a nutritious diet. Since traditional emadashi can be seriously fiery, I am balancing things out with a combination of green chilies and jalapenos because I enjoy spice, but I also enjoy being able to taste my food afterwards. The jalapenos add a lovely flavor and freshness without turning this into a chili eating competition. Moving on to making the sauce. Into a pan goes some butter and immediately life starts improving. Now add very finely chopped garlic. Next go in the green chilies and jalapenos. Give everything a quick saute. The aroma at this stage is incredible. And then add water. And here's a small but important tip. Do not add salt at this stage because our cheese slices already bring enough saltiness to the dish. Also keep a slightly generous amount of liquid in the pan before adding the cheese. This helps the cheese melt smoothly and prevents the sauce from becoming dry later. We want it thick, creamy and luxurious but still saucy enough to flow beautifully. And just like that, our chili cheesy sauce is ready. Now in a pan, add generous amount of butter and crack in few eggs. Look at these gorgeous orange yolks. These eggs are already making the dish look extra special. Sprinkle a little salt over the eggs and now comes my favorite part. Pour that beautiful chili cheese sauce over the eggs. Let the eggs cook until the whites are set and the yolks remain beautifully soft. If this recipe made you hungry even once during this video, do hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to Culinary Heritage by Devika for more delicious recipes and food that makes ordinary days feel special. I have also added a little chili oil. This step is completely optional, but if you enjoy a little extra kick, then why not? कभी कभी जिंदगी में थोड़ी सी एक्साइटमेंट जरूरी होती है. By the way, if you're wondering about any of the cookware or products I use in my kitchen, do check them out in the description box below. I have shared links for some of them in case you would like to explore or purchase them. Now, traditionally, emadashi is Bhutan's famous chili and cheese dish, and it is usually enjoyed with rice. But today I have added eggs into the party and served it over a toast. Okay, now the moment of truth. The creaminess from the cheese, the flavor of the jalapenos, and that gentle heat, everything comes together beautifully. This is my favorite kind of cooking. And before you leave, don't forget to screenshot the ingredient list. That's all from my pan today. See you on the sunny side. Bye.